EV is to valuation ratio. EV means enterprise value. So every company, if it is doing say 1 crore revenue, like I'll quote you example of Burger Singh. Burger Singh was doing 85 crores of revenue, 84 something, and it was raising at a valuation of 150 crores, which was coming out to be less than 2x, right? Now this became very, very attractive for the investors if they immediately put in funds. And I'll tell you why it happened. It happened because their existing investors were not ready to put in funds at a higher valuation. So they had no option but to raise at the same valuation for everybody. You cannot have two valuations, right? So there is a revenue is to valuation multiple, which works very well globally, and it's a very simplified way of doing things. Deep dive, when we do go, we definitely have our own method called fair share method of valuation. For idea stage, we consider a valuation method called David Burkus or Dave Burkus method, which is again a simplest form. You can Google it and you will also find out how it works. It gives weights as per different aspects of a startup, say idea itself, then the team, then the market size, then if the revenue is there. So they have different data points on which the valuation comes up, and definitely a high point is given when the valuation when the revenue is already there or the order book is big, right? We are also coming up with few startups wherein StartupLanes is coming as a partner. One, we are taking up around 34% of equity. Those companies might be valued higher because they are already doing, the existing founders are doing 24, 25 crores, 12 crores, 14 crores of revenue. And the same business is extended with StartupLanes as a new company, right? So there you might experience higher valuation because two brands getting together and starting something not from scratch. We are starting from experience. So StartupLanes is coming with 3 such companies in partnership, wherein we are taking 34% and 2 other co-founders are there who are also coming from experience, and they are already clocking good revenue in crores. So those startups, you will experience that the valuation might be 10 crores or 12 crores, something like that.